How do I do it? Did I really just forget my intro? It's been a long time. Oh yeah! What's up campers? It's me Srogeee and today I'm going to take you out. Are you ready for some exotic animals and beautiful enclosures like these behind my back? Today I'm visiting the 52nd Terra Plaza International Animal Expo in Budapest. Get ready to have some fun! So the plan is pretty simple for today. Budapest is like 1.5 hours away from here and I haven't had my breakfast yet, so the first pit stop is going to be IKEA, where I need to get some stuff and I'm also going to have something to eat. After I'm done there, I'm gonna visit the expo and have a great time. Ready? Let's go! It's a beautiful sunny day. We have really strong winds, so I need to compensate with the steering wheel sometimes. But other than that, I'm expecting a smooth and easy road to Budapest. We're almost there, guys. 20 more minutes and I can have some IKEA hot dogs in my belly. You also might notice something different here. Yes, it is the car. You might remember that beautiful white Opel Ampera that I used in several of my videos. Now, that car is for sale because I got promoted in my job, and with this position I can have my own company car and I can go wherever I want with it. So basically today's trip is sponsored by my company. Thank you Nolato for sponsoring this trip. Without you it wouldn't be possible. And we are here, the Swedish furniture company. Let's get in. Look at my new setup, guys. Everything is here for a vlogger, YouTuber, someone like me. The reason I'm here today is because my mother needs something for her kitchen and I'm going to buy it for her. I think I see it. I think I see it. Yes, exactly. This metal bar with some hooks. This is what she needs. How well organized IKEA is. I'm always surprised by that. It looks awesome. I got everything that I wanted, even the bar. So let's get something to eat. This breakfast, which turned into a lunch, was amazing. I'm full of energy and now I'm ready to get to the expo. It is my pleasure to tell you that we arrived.
get inside and check out the exotic animals. Oh geez, look how massive this expo is. But what does it offer? We start by taking a look at the lizards. Fat and healthy bearded dragons. Several species of skinks. Green iguanas. Toads and massive amount of geckos. Let's move on. Check these terrarium jugs out. I built a couple of these myself. And here are the bigger enclosures. That's awesome, man. There are a lot of things left to see. Here come the food animals, crickets, grasshoppers, and even mealworms. Yummy! Next up, insects. Massive insects. These guys are from another planet, I believe. Oh look, butterfly cocoons. And ant queens in small test tubes. And in an artificial ant farm. Let's visit the spider stands too. Oh gosh. Arachnophobes, look away. My girlfriend would kick me out if I'd bring home one of these. Let's keep going, okay? Next up, snakes. Boas. Pythons. And king snakes. No. Maybe a plant? Fit for a new terrarium? Possibly. Hey, I almost forgot to show you the chameleons. Beautiful, vibrant colors, right? Okay, any aquatic animals around? Badass! Frogs and snails, and axolotls! And my dear friends, tortoises. How cute. I think I'm almost done. A couple of rodents. And some birds. And I saw everything. Oh gosh, there were a lot of people inside, but I managed to get some cool items for me. These two mothballs will go to my riparium, and my fish Donna will be very happy about this. I also got some airplanes, which will go to my terrariums. I'm not really concerned about their size yet, because they will grow big in no time. I got myself 2 cork tubes, which will be a hiding place for my gecko. Last but not least, I got a gift for my girlfriend. Inside of this one there is a butterfly cocoon. I've never kept butterflies, but this will be hers and I can't wait for it to hatch. There's no much thing left today, guys, but to go home. So, see you in the car. Alright guys, I'm on the highway again, and in like 30 minutes I'll arrive home and take a rest. You know why? I'm tired. This Terra Plaza was huge and it was full of animals and I saw them all. If you enjoyed this little trip with me, please leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's growing like crazy and I want to finish the Jeep Wrangler build. Thank you, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, campers!
Look at this, the butterfly hatched. How beautiful. You can visit the Terra Plaza yourself on the 23rd of June.